Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm Ms. Amna Mukhtar from Ain Public School and College System. I welcome you to our today's online class on the topic of modes of transport and city transport. So the objectives of today's lesson is, by the end of this lesson you will be able to understand the meaning of transportation, different modes of transportation and city transport. Modes of transportation. First we are going to look at the definition of modes of transportation. Mode of transport is a term used to distinguish between different ways of transportation, either goods or people. The different modes of transport are air, water and land. So that means air transportation, water transportation and land transportation. Now we are going to look at them one by one. Air transportation. Air transportation is the fastest method of transportation. Global trend is changing and now people prefer to travel by air as it saves time. Air transportation includes aeroplanes, helicopter, commercial jets, gliders. So these are the modes of air transportation. Second one is water transportation. Modern sea transport is a highly effective method of transporting large quantities of food, less costly than air transport. It is cheaper than air transport. Water transport includes ship, ferries, submarine, jet boats, etc. Third one is land transportation. Land transport covers all the land-based transportation system that provides for the movement of people, goods and services. Land transport play a vital role in linking communities with each other. Rail transport and road transport is a major type of land transport. This type of transportation includes train, buses, car, bicycle, rickshaw, motorcycle, trams, etc. Our next topic or task which is assigned for this week is city traffic or city transport, in which you have been provided with the audio track 3.2. We have already discussed in detail about the listening skill in our previous week lecture. So what you need to do is to listen to the audio track 3.2 on page number 36 of your textbook, which shows about different modes of transport, and after listening to the audio track you are supposed to answer all the questions which is given in your textbook. Just a quick review of all the city transport which is discussed in your textbook is about tram, ferry, monorail, rickshaws and the tube or the underground. You have been provided with the details on page 37 of your textbook. So now by the end of this lecture I'm going to give you an activity for the third task, which is doing my part for the environment, page number 33 of your textbook. What you need to do is you need to design a poster on A4 size page. Make up a poster on how to save the environment. You must include tips on how to save water, how to dispose of garbage at home, tips on how to save electricity. Others means stop using plastic bags, doing the plantation, make your drawing colorful and use your tips. That means you should write your tips in the bold on your poster. So with this we have reached the end of today's lecture. Hopefully you have enjoyed the topic. Take very good care of yourself. Have a good day. Hope to see you soon.